Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to perform the loft surface and swept surface in Solidworks software. This object is made by the loft surface in Solidworks software. So now we are going to start going to the file, creating a new file. Okay, done. I'm going to take the top plane, normal. I'm taking the circle. The first one is circle. I'm taking this one is dimension is diameter 5. Okay, 5. I'm taking this one is 5 inch. Then exit it from here. Then I'm going to take the top plane, going the features, reference geometry, plane, and the distance will be 3 or 5. 3. 3 is better. 3. Now I'm going to start sketch a circle. Oh no, I'm going to the rectangle, small, exit it, small dimension. I'm taking the square shape, so 2 by 2 inch, 3 by 3 inch. I'm taking 3 by 3 inch, also 3 inch square shape. Then exit it. Now again going to the top plane, features, reference geometry, plane. Then I'm taking this one is a 6 inch from the origin. Then I'm going to sketch and taking the circle again. I'm taking a circle up to this. Okay, right mouse click, select. Then I'm going here. I'm taking this one is okay. This is default, so I don't want to change. Exit it. Then Control 7 from the keyboard. You'll see. I'm going here. Hide the plane. Then going to the features. Now I'm going to the insert on the surface and select the loft. Click the first circle. Second click on this square. Third click on this circle. You're watching. Direction is this way. Okay, this way. This way is made it. So close loft. Give the close loft. I don't want to close. Then you will see micro tolerance. Okay, I don't want it. Again close. Then you will see without close. Show the preview without close. Okay. Then you see the object. Now I'm going here. Swing without edge. See, going here. Taking this color. Okay. You see. Now I'm taking another file. Then okay. Then I'm going to the top plane, normal. I'm going to the sketch, taking a circle. I'm taking this circle, right mouse click, okay. Taking small dimension. Again going to the small dimension. Taking this diameter is zero point 0.1 inch, 0.1 inch. Okay, done. Exit it. Then I'm going to the front plane, normal. Then taking the spline, Control 7 from the keyboard. Then you will see I'm sketching a line, line, line is creating. Okay, right button click, select, exit it. And the sketch is one. I'm going to the. I'm taking this one is so small, 0.05. Okay, done. Then exit it. The view, Control 7, see. Then I'm going to the insert, surface, and so is selected. The first click on this circle, second click on this line. The pipe is done. See the video. See the view. Final view, Control 7. Okay. See the whole of this pipe. If you want a section view, see the section. Section is watching. Cross it. Now I'm going here. I'm taking this color. Exit it. See, cross it. Going here. Select with that edge. Now see. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I think everybody got it how to sketch the loft surface in Solidworks software and also swept surface. I think you are benefited. If you think that you are benefited, subscribe the channel, like, comment, and share, and the Redesign Engineering is always with you.